These stylish Italian-made two-piece gift boxes have a natural kraft textured groove base with a clear plastic lid. The base box is a folding box made from natural kraft e-flute paperboard with a ribbed texture. These kraft gift boxes are perfect for small or mini-sized gourmet food items, bath and body gifts, specialty soaps, cards, stationery, and more. Create the perfect presentation for your gourmet products with these clear view lid gift boxes. To assemble your clear lid gift box, start by pre-creasing the folds. Pinch the corners of the box base. Then bring the side flaps over them. Repeat this process with the other side. Crease the edges of the clear box lid. Set your lid on top of the box, tucking the flaps without tab closures inside the box, but leaving the tab closure ends outside. Tuck the tab closures securely into the box base, then repeat on the other side. Your box is now complete. Visit splashpackaging.com to see other creative ways to package your gift and gourmet items.